my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Kanaya of Great for Hazel. International news: Islamic State claims attack on Egypt police that killed for. National news: India to be ready to launch manned Gaganyaan mission by end of 2022. Thank you. Have a short day. Next, my friend will continue state and sport news. Thank you. This what is state and sport news is brought to you by Prudhinath of Great for Hazel. State news: 900 doctors included 5,000 staff nurses replacements soon in Telangana. Sports news: BCCI shortlists 20 players who will be rotated till the 50 overs of World Cup. Thank you. My friend will continue with the report. Today's weather report is brought to you by Harinandan of Great for Hazel. Weather report: maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you, my friend. We'll continue thought of the day. Today's thought is brought to you by Nihal from Great for Hazel. Thought: believing in yourself is the first secret of success. I repeat it again. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. Thank you, my friend. Will continue. What? Happy morning, everyone. Today, word is brought to you by Jeshwant of Great for Hazel. What? Believe to accept something as true. Friends, please spell after me. B-E-L-I-V-E. Believe. Next, thank you, my friend. We continue science facts. Today's interesting science facts are brought to you by Ikshita Reddy from Great for Hazel. Science facts. Fact 1. Each person has a unique tongue print. Fact 2. Adult makes 23,000 breaths a day. Fact 3. In one day, your blood travels 19,312 miles. Fact 4. Raindrop falls at a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. Fact 5. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.